everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Poppy and this is Mina.
Hi everyone, I'm Mina. I'm very happy to be here today. Poppy, what are we gonna draw today?
We are going to draw the Māori mask, which you usually can find on the Māori meeting house.
Yes, and the face looks very fierce.
Yeah, and the mouth is open with the tongue is sticking out, the eyes is protruding.
And the expression is very aggressive. It looks like the grimaces they do for the haka dance.
Yeah, you know a lot about this. Okay, let's start to draw the Māori mask. Okay, before we start to drawing the Māori mask, these two markers we need to get ready. One is the black marker for the draft, and one is the yellow or ultra marker for the wood carving part. Okay, we start to use the black marker to draw the Māori mask, the shape of the Māori mask face first. So we need to make sure our mask is in the middle of the paper. We can make 2 points of it. So this is the size of the Māori mask. Are you going to draw a big one with lots of details? Okay, so we start to draw the wave line. Connect these 2 points. Yeah, that's nice. And then connect these 2. The other lines. Yeah, and we connect this with a big wave line like this. The lines on this mask mirrored Māori tattoos which traditionally they had on their face to look fierce and so scared of the enemies. So we need to make sure that both sides have the same pattern. Okay, let's start to draw 2 circles for the eyes. You can draw it bigger if you got a bigger mask, but that's alright. I'm going to draw a smaller one inside and then color in. You can take this one to color in and draw a bigger one outside.
Okay.
Okay, let's make the trace one more time for the outline of the eyes. Okay, now we make a middle point here. Imagine got a line here. Then we connect with the eyes. We take this point to separate to a half. Yeah, that's nice. Then we do the upside down pattern. You can draw a couple of this. Try to draw the bold line. Okay, you can make this line bold.
Okay.
Okay, then we can attain a very fierce eyeball. This shape looks like the silver fin, right? Okay. Also trace the line again. Also adding one more here, 2 small next to it. Those patterns usually do it with the tattoo, right?
Yes.
Okay, for those space we can adding some dots on, like more details on. Yep, and adding patterns around the eyes. Those like the water drop. And color in. You can decide it by yourself if you've got more space. I'm going to add 2 more. Yes, I'm going to add more lines around here. Okay, now we've done the eyes part, right? What else? We're going to draw the mouth. So we're going to draw a big mouth opening. And then I'm adding one more line to connect with it. Okay, so find another point, connect with this center, and color in this area. Okay, draw one more line for it, making it more details. Okay, then we're drawing the shape of the tongue, but we need some space for it. Okay, and adding one more curved line. Okay, now we just need to draw the shape of the tongue. It's going this way. Cool. Now we color in the inside part. Showing the tongue is sticking out. Yeah, Nina, don't forget to color in this area. Okay, cool. I'm going to draw more dots on this area, but if you don't have enough space, you can put those dots in the other space. Now you got a very big area for for details, so just adding the details you decided randomly. I'm going to draw more dots around here. That's cool. How about you do more drop around those space?
Okay.
Yeah. Then you can add one more curved line under the mask. Yeah, and putting more details on. You can draw short lines or dots. And Mina, I think you still need to do more details around this area. You can draw those water drop pattern.
Okay.
Yeah. Or you can make those lines broad. Okay, that's good. Okay, we finished the draft of the Māori mask. Then we can color in with the yellow or orchard or orange, any yellow series color you can use. So I'm going to use the thin side to do the outline in case I want color out. The Māori's mask is made by the wood carving. After I've done the outline, I can change to the bold side to color in. It's quicker and smooth. Well done, Mina. You did amazing work. So this is our final result of the Māori mask today. How do you feel about that, Mina?
It was very fun to draw, but it was very hard as well because both of the sides have to be the same and there are a lot of details.
Yeah, but I love your design. Maybe you can take this as a draft. You can make a real one of the wood carving.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any question or anything you would like us to draw next time, comment below.
Please smash the like button and subscribe to us.
See you next time. Bye!